vlog is all about physical fitness and wellness.
And we would like to introduce our name. I am Grace Angel Colia Dacuyan. I'm Carissa Suarez. And I'm Honey Jane.
And I'm Mark Lawrence Inserto.
And I'm Rielen A. Paigalan.
And we are the
Adventures
Adventurers.
Farm.
First things first, I'm going to define about physical fitness. Physical fitness refers to the body's ability to perform daily activities, work tasks, and regional pursuits with optimal performance, endurance, and strength, while also having enough energy reserves to handle unexpected demands or emergencies. It encompasses multiple components that reflect both physical health and functional capability.
Here are the top 3 fitness. Number 1 is physical vitality. The focus, nutrition, movement, and sleep. This is your foundation in 2026. The focus is on metabolic health and longevity, ensuring your body has the energy to function and the ability to recover from your daily stress. 2. Mental resilience. The focus, stress management and emotional regulation. A healthy mind protects the body by practicing mindfulness. Or breath work, you'll lower cholesterol levels, which prevents burnout and keeps your immune system strong. 3. Social connection, community and authentic relationship. Emotional safety net needed to navigate. And that's all. Thank you.
And now I'm going to interview my members about what physical fitness they did this morning. And so she is one of my group members. She is Katsa, and what physical activities did you do this morning?
Chat.
The second member of our group is Narisa. What physical activities did you do this morning? Go. And our third member is Regalan. What physical activities did you do this morning?
I just did 5 minutes run for going to school.
And this is our fourth member, Miss Kaoyan. What physical activities did you do this morning?
I did 20 seconds jumping.